amygdala is a small structure in the brain, located on the right and left sides, which is the center of fear, and allows us to detect danger 10 times faster than our conscious mind can. All amygdala activity occurs unconsciously and automatically. When hyperactivated, the amygdala has numerous physical effects on the body, including diminishing and shutting down the prefrontal cortex. This is a part of the brain that is extremely important for logical reasoning, planning, and organization, and which also plays a major role in pain relief and emotional control. Once the prefrontal cortex is diminished or shut down, the amygdala can no longer be controlled and goes into hyperactivation mode. The amygdala will then activate the thalamus, another part of the brain that plays a very important role in the attention system. It will therefore focus attention on what is negative and dangerous in order to protect the body from potential dangers. The amygdala will modulate the reward system, particularly the nucleus accumbens. It will switch the reward system into punishment mode by suppressing the release of opioids, which give us feelings of pleasure, and by reducing dopamine, which gives us motivation and facilitates learning. It will also act on parts of the body that control motor function, such as the ventral striatum. These areas of the brain will trigger defensive reflexes in response to severe stress, such as paralysis muscles by cutting off the motor pathways that control the muscles, either by creating flight reflexes or by creating fight reflexes in the brainstem. The amygdala will also act on the periaqueductal gray matter. This is a very important center for pain control and is capable of turning off or on the pain information that travels from the body to the brain. Once this periaqueductal gray matter is activated, anesthesia is created, which cuts off physical sensations in case of danger. This anesthesia can be partial or total body anesthesia. It is also possible that the amygdala does the opposite, causing a focus on pain and deactivating the pain-relieving voices of the calm gray matter, which leads to an increase in painful information reaching the brain. The amygdala then activates the hypothalamus, a region of the brain that controls the entire hormonal system and, in particular, controls the hormonal stress response by acting on cortisol levels in our body. The amygdala also acts on the anterior cingulate cortex and the insula. These are two very important regions which, when activated, can create anxiety and depression and, above all, negative anticipation of events. Loops and rumination then set in, replaying over and over again all the potential dangers that could lie ahead. The amygdala also reduces the functioning of the hippocampus, which is a region of the brain that enables memorization and, in particular, to store memories in boxes according to the events that have occurred. This reduction in the hippocampus will lead to a decontextualization of memories. As a result, stress and anxiety become generalized. In addition, the amygdala will cause traumatic memories, and all memories containing stress or anxiety to be reactivated in the brain. Although the amygdala is a very small area of our brain, it plays an extremely important role in everything related to stress and fear management. Whether it is psychological or physical stress, this is a key area for calming and reassuring in many diseases.